Welcome to episode 12 of our Mediumship Training and Development Series. This is the final episode. In this final episode, we are sharing some pro tips for developing mediumship like a boss.
This whole series is an introduction to our Advanced Mediumship Training and Certification Program.
And make sure to catch all of the videos that you missed in that link below, because it covers the basic foundation of mediumship development.
Whether you are more advanced or just asking, how do mediums work? This is the place for you.
And for those of you who are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenMostGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy. Since 2008, we have helped thousands around the globe to develop their psychic mediumship gifts with clarity and confidence using our signature NBA method. And it has nothing to do with basketball.
As you come on, let us know where you are watching from.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
So we're going to lay down our unique process for developing mediums so you know what to expect when you come join us. Quality education is a key piece, and we cover that all in our Advanced Mediumship course. The application happens with our 3-part method to develop your psychic mediumship skills.
The first part of that is sitting with intention to develop or unfold, the unfoldment process, right? AKA meditation for mediumship.
Number 2 is practicing with people.
Number 3, working on fears. We cannot stress this one enough.
Which is why this is the final episode and we want to talk the most about this. This is the 3rd part and part of what makes our signature NBA method so unique. If you want to be good, I mean really, really good, do not skip this part. This is where they say we separate the men from the boys or the mediums from the smalls.
But what about the big and talls?
Yeah.
You got the mediums, you got the smalls,
yeah.
Big and tall. Here is where we really develop spiritual awareness, ethics, and responsibility for our own emotional baseline. Because, make no mistake, your unresolved fears will spill out into the world and into the work itself if you are not consciously working on this part.
We find on the majority, mediums start working professionally too soon. In the old school, they would not let you start until you showed enough emotional and mental stability to handle the work.
Check, not check, go back to the drawing board. Practice some more until you get it. That's it. Some indications that you need this step is if you have a hard time feeling the emotions, and you probably don't have a hard time feeling the emotions, but this next part, then releasing the energy of others, whether they are alive or in spirit. Say you get nausea, pain, or anxiety, and you just can't shake it, you can't release it. What that means is that you still have work to do to find your compassionate, neutral pro status.
One reason that we developed our NBA method and integrated it into all of our trainings is the majority of our students are super feeling empaths that have these issues.
So the NBA method is where shadow work meets brain science and uses the way that your mind processes psychic and mediumship information. In today's world, we understand so much more about how the brain works and what that means for your psychic mediumship development.
Mediums that don't work on this part can get otherwise good information that then gets jumbled up with unresolved neuroses and fears. Then fears get worse over time and they become less effective, and then fears personify out there in their energy space and reflect right back like a mirror. It can get muddy and mucky, and we want to save you from that chaos, which is why we go deeper in our advanced mediumship training.
So if you find yourself looping through any of these thoughts, I'm too sensitive, I absorb too much, I get exhausted from the energy or from other people's energy, I just can't people.
Yeah, I can't lead a normal life, can't be in crowds, I can't handle negativity.
Then it is time to break the cycle. These are just symptoms, and those symptoms are holding you back from being your own badass superhero. Your superpowers are real, but you've got to practice so that you can stand in them and use them for good instead of let them overwhelm you. Our NDA method helps you get to the root and to unlock clarity and confidence in your psychic mediumship and not be overwhelmed when you've got these psychic superpowers that come into your mind. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using that link down below, all the videos that you missed and any ones that you want to rewatch so that you can have a better basic foundation for mediumship development.
If you're ready to take the next step, we are ready to help.
So if you've gotten something valuable today, more importantly, if you've gotten something valuable over any part of this series and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy. This is where we have focused our life's work with thousands of clients around the globe and where we love to teach our students everything that they need to be a badass when it comes to their psychic gifts, their mediumship, all of those things, and where you can actually take advantage of PhD-backed education, the amazing weekly practice that really is the secret to building confidence, and more importantly, that supportive tribe and the community experience. So if you are ready to level up your psychic mediumship skills, we also have our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
If you want to learn more, you can click the links in the description.
And since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we've got for you. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video,
Hit the like button.
hit it hard. If you want to see more videos like
Be
this,
sure to subscribe
and spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new accent or video.
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you've chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. But most importantly, that you are here to level up your life and your skills and take all of that, including your mind, to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. We want to thank you guys for watching. If you want more, be sure to binge on all of the other videos that we have. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can figure it out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Next video.